Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Are you fine? Okay, good. I'm your ma'am Kiran, and today's topic is letter G. Okay, what is our topic? Letter G. And what is the sound of G? G, G. G, G. G, G, grapes. G, G, grapes. G, G, girl. G, G, girl. Jiga gate. What is this? This is a gate. Jiga gate. Jiga glass. What is this? This is a glass. Jiga glass. Jiga goat. Jiga goat. And what is the color of this goat? White. Very good. Jiga goat. Okay, class, you have to learn this vocabulary at your home and the sound of G. G, 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 G. Okay, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.